Hi guys, it's Balmay and welcome back to our channel. And yes, for today's video guys, finally I can show you guys our new house. So it means it's our house tour video. So yes guys, finally we're here. We moved in already and I'm so sorry I didn't make any vlog about our moving because we are in lockdown and we're not able to ask help from our friends until not on the very end with like all the very big stuff. But like 95% of it is just Ranel and I, so we don't have any time to take a video guys because yeah, we do it ourselves. So yes, but yes guys, as promised, I gonna make this video for you guys, our house tour. So I know so this is our house tour video and I hope you like this video guys, and thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please continue watching and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Fun, fun, fun! So because we're gonna do house tour, so most of the vlog that I've seen is they start it on outside, but this video guys, we're gonna start it upstairs, go down and then outside. So parang medyo kakaiba. So yes guys, so for the first, I'm gonna show you the first room guys. So actually this is the hallway in the second floor. So yeah, this one, see, so we put our picture there and I love the frame. And yes guys, so this is our first room. Yay! Look at that. So actually, yeah, we put the TV here. Actually, it's our guest room. So yes guys, so this is our guest room. Yes, so look at that. So this is our first room guys. It's simple like that. And yeah, that's the closet. So this is Ranel's closet. So that's for the first room. And next is our second bedroom. So actually when we have guests, so Ranel and I sleep here. So yeah, this is I really love. So I really love gold color. So this is what I do. So this room is all gold. Da-dun, da-dun. So that's the second room. So the bag is there. And this is, and yeah, and it's my closet guys. So this is all my clothes. So there you go. So that's my clothes. Look at that. And yeah, I really love this room guys. It's all gold. It's my favorite color. Gold. Look at that. See, and I got my computer there for my YouTube. That's our second bedroom. First bed. That's our second room. And yeah, so this is the hallway in between two rooms. And that's, yeah, there you go. And I put all the bathroom stuff here. So guys, see, that's all our bathroom stuff. There we go. So that's it. So and next, and yeah, so look at my friend give this to us. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. That's 100% true. Look at that, eh? Here's our simple washroom, guys. Look at that. There you go. That's it. That's our washroom. And then the two bedroom. And there you go. So we're gonna go downstairs now. And before we go downstairs, upstairs, we have a storage room. So that's why I like this. So the storage room, there you go guys. All our excess gamit is nandito. Kung paano sa tanim mo, gapit di mo. Ayan, naglaklak.
Oh look, this is so big.
I know. Ronald just came out. I'm serious, very serious na nag-video. Nag-house or dumating siya from work. Say hi.
Hi!
Oh,
It's outside, but it's fine.
Oh, there you go. And look at this, guys. So, Ronald made this. See? Going downstairs, it's like that. Oops. Yung basura ko nandoon. That's okay. There you go. And yeah, so this is the storage room. So all our excess stuff is here. And I put all our shoes here too. Like that. And so let's go down now. It's our garbage tree. Nandiyan yung laundry, guys. And ta-da-da! So this is the other storage. So I don't wanna but yeah, that's it. So that's all the storage here downstairs too. And here's our kitchen, guys. So look at this kitchen island. It's just for 2 person, of course. And yes, small but beautiful. Char. So, and we have the oven, microwave, and our fridge. So that's it, guys. So this kitchen island is double purposing. We put our grocery there. And yes, look at that. That cabinet is for our wine glasses and everything. And our fridge. And this is all the cupboard. There you go. That's all our kitchen, guys. So this one here, I got my cookbook, wine, of course, alcohol, right? And the wine glasses. Like this. Yes, guys, that's all our kitchen. And presenting our living room. Look at that. So yes, guys, so that's our living room. And look at Ronald's 75-inch TV. And yes, so yeah, yan yung tiny living room namin, guys. There you go. It's so cozy. Wait, turn on mo yung light mo saglit, wait. Yung dyan, wait, oh. Oh, there you go. So, yeah. Yes, guys. So, that's our living room. Yes, guys. So, it's gonna be look like that. Like that here when you sit here, see? And look, nice. So cozy. Oh, look at that. So that's our living room, guys. There you go. One more round, and there you go. So, ayan na, guys. So, oops, where's my slipper? So, at least we have our own patio. Look at that. Mga bulaklak ko. Then, we have our barbecue stuff. I mean, our grill. There you go. That's all. So that's all for this video, guys, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much, and till the next video, bye.